Sending money from the UAE with TapTap Send is fast, affordable, and easy. Here's how to do it in just 6 steps. Step 1. Open the TapTap Send app. Sign into your account and tap Send Money to get started. Step 2. Select your destination country. Choose where you want to send your money from the list of supported countries. Step 3. Add your recipient's details. Enter their name and choose how they'll receive the money: bank account, mobile wallet, or cash pickup. Step 4. Enter the amount. Type in how much you want to send and check the exchange rate, fees, and estimated delivery time. Step 5. Choose a payment method. Pay using your debit card, bank transfer, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. Step 6. Confirm and send. Review all the details, tap Send, and track your transfer right from the app. And that's it. Your money is on its way.